guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long day and I don't know, I was debating whether or not I should even do this video because I had such a long day, but then it's been a while since I, did a BoxyCharm unboxing and my BoxyCharm came late, so I was like, is there a point for me to post it? Is there not? I was like, you know what, I might as well. As much as I love BoxyCharm and all the subscriptions and all the goodies that came with it, this will be my last BoxyCharm unboxing and the overall subscriptions. I figured that I would test more makeup that's what I like, I guess. Like, not that I don't like the products that they sent me, it's just that there are some things that are in the market where I'm like, ooh, that primer, I want to get that one, or ooh, that highlight, I want to get that one, but my money went towards this, so I'd rather use that 30 whatever dollars or whatever the conversion is into another product that I would like to buy. Once again, it's not like I don't like the products that are in the boxes, in the BoxyCharm subscriptions. I just want to put my money into something else. So with that being said, let's get into the February BoxyCharm unboxing. So as you guys know, I have my trusted scissors. Just gonna cut along right here. So this month's theme is Galaxy Glow. Let's see, what do we get in here? So also in this box, you do get a CoverFX card, like a discount code. It's valid till March 15th, and the code is FXCharm in case you guys want to save 20% off. I know their Power Play foundation is out right now. Okay, so first, what do we have here? I'm just gonna go in order of the card. So we have the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. It does retail for $39.99, and if you guys haven't guessed already, it is in US pricing. It comes with 6 stunning holographic shades. The highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. It is definitely hollow. Or is it? I think it's hollow. Anyways, so these are the shades. Now, this kind of reminds me of, I think was it the Anastasia Aurora palette? Or highlighting palette. It kind of reminds me of that a little bit. I think the shades are a little off, but just quickly looking at it, it does remind you because I think it's mainly the blue shade. But anyways, the colors are nice. There's some in here I think are more like eyeshadow shades than highlighting shades. But we're gonna take a look. Ooh. They don't feel that buttery. And there is a iridescence to it. I really doubt you guys can see that with the light, but trust me when I say this, there is an iridescence to it. So the first shade is more pinky tone, the second one is more lilac, and the last one is like a combination of the two. It's like a pinky duochrome purple, and a little bit of blue in there too, just looking at it. And then the last 3. Ooh, the last one's buttery. The green one was buttery. The blue one, not so much. The yellow, a little bit. Ooh. Okay, the last 3, like, you could see it. That is blinding. Like, the first 3 are up here. They're more sheer and subtle, and then the last 3 just bam in your face. I think I use it as eyeshadows, actually, probably. With the green one, it's more like a pastel lime green. There's a hint of yellow in there. The blue one, there's hints of purple and pink in there as well. More of like a violet type of feel. And the yellow, it just looks straight up yellow to me. I'm pretty sure there's some shimmer in there, but on my skin, it definitely just looks yellow. Like, that's it right there. It's stunning. I don't think I'm gonna use that on my face. Like I said, I probably use it more as an eyeshadow. But who knows? Maybe there's a time when I go to like DD or Velvet or something like that and I could use that on my face. So next one is the CoverFX Shimmer Veil. I wish I knew what color you were. Does it say? Okay, probably not. So this retails for $28. It is a multi-use shimmering cream colors. They are crease proof, enough for the boldest of eye looks, and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face, suitable for all skin types. This is in Amethyst. So of course this is going to be used for the eyes, but we're going to swatch it on the hand. So that's what the doe foot applicator looks like. This is actually very soft. Like it's very creamy. I thought it was just gonna be like chunky. This is a pretty color, guys. Like I heard good things about their shimmer veils, but I didn't know how good they were. Like I don't know if you guys can tell with the swatch, but that's it right there. It's kind of, I wouldn't say subtle, but you can definitely notice it when you're up close. But from afar, you can see like a bit of a shimmer. It's really, really nice. So next we have the Vintage Cosmetics Smoky Eye Pencil by Jessica. So this is a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil that delivers intense jet black definition, creating pencil point precision or smudgy saturated color. The creamy soft formula glides on lids without tugging or pulling. That's actually very creamy. Like I wouldn't call this a jet black or like the blackest black, but it's black enough. And it's more buildable. Whether this is smudge proof, I would have to test this out throughout the day, but we'll see. Next we have Pure Cosmetics. This is the Faux Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. This also retails for $17. And oh, I forgot to mention the Smoky Eye Pencil retails for $21. And it's back to the Pure Cosmetics. So this retails for $17. This is supposed to be an instant boost of shea butter, raw sugar, and exfoliating beads. This 4-in-1 lip scrub pencil exfoliates, plumps, hydrates, and smooth. Using the shea butter to soften lips, while the raw sugar and exfoliating beads are used to buff away dead surface cells and moisturizes the lips for a softer, smoother, more plump lip. Doesn't really have much of a smell to it. So this is what it looks like. It's just like a clear balm, and I believe this is a twist up. Oh yes, it is. So you don't have to sharpen it at all. Like I said, there's no smell to it. Let's try this out. Oh, I definitely feel the exfoliation right now. At first when you put it on, it just feels like a balm, but then when you keep going over and over, you can definitely feel the beads. It's not rough, but it's enough where you can feel the exfoliation. I think this is something I'll use. And then lastly, we have these 3 brushes. These are the Crown Pro Trio brush set, and these retail for $29.99. So this is a 3-piece brush set to contour your face to perfection. The small brush can be used to conceal imperfections and the highlight underneath the eyes. The medium-sized brush can be used to sculpt the cheekbones and perimeter of the face. And finally, the large powder brush can be used to set everything in place. This is actually pretty good. So this is the medium brush that can be used for, I believe, contouring, used to sculpt the cheekbones and the perimeter of the face. If you can see that. So when you hold the brush, it's supposed to be more comfortable. I don't know how you're supposed to hold it. It's supposed to be, oh, like that. So the lower one is supposed to be for your thumb, in case you guys didn't know, and then the higher one is supposed to be like your middle finger, and you just do that. And the next one is the concealer brush, but this is supposed to be good for packing concealer under the eyes. I kind of wanted a concealer brush, but I didn't know if it was practical or not, because I always use my sponge to blend out my concealer, so I didn't know if there was a point for that. And of course, the last one is the powder brush. I will give these a try, like they're soft enough. It's not like they're rough on my face or anything. We'll see. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this last BoxyCharm unboxing video. It has been an amazing time with BoxyCharm, even though I only had like maybe 4 subscriptions out of them. But I did like what they provided, their services, and like everything that came with it. Like there are some brands I didn't even think of trying until like I tried BoxyCharm. So thank you for that. But if you guys have any other suggestions on like what I should do in my future videos, please leave a comment section below and I will try and do that. I do have to do a brow tutorial soon because I did a Instagram poll and a lot of you guys wanted to see a brow tutorial rather than an eyeshadow look. But I will eventually do an eyeshadow look that was on my Instagram anyways, but the brow tutorial will most likely come first. So anyway guys, I hope you liked this video once again. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up. It will help me a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wherever that button is down below, click it. I know you guys want to join the family. And don't forget to follow me on my social media handles, wherever they are, I have no idea, and click on the next video. Whichever side is on, I have no idea. Just click on the next video. You know you want to. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!